TV community, I just made these 3 delicious, healthy recipes that you can have anytime throughout the day, and I can't wait to show you guys how to make it at home. I'm so excited to show you guys how to make my orange dreamsicle smoothie. It's the perfect blend of sweet and a little bit tart. It tastes so good. This is our strawberry sunrise smoothie, and it's so healthy for you. It includes one of my favorite ingredients, beets. This is more of a earthy strawberry smoothie, and I hope that you're gonna love it at home. This is our lean green detox smoothie, which is perfect to drink in the morning right before you go to work. Okay, I have to say something about this smoothie. Yeah. So it has matcha and wheatgrass in it and spinach. There's so many greens in here that are going to fuel your body and keep your hunger low throughout the day. This is my favorite one out of the 3 that I'm showing you right now. This one. These are so good.
They're so pretty.
Yeah, and they're pretty. So make them because they're healthy for you, but they also are fun to drink throughout the day.